Welcome back. Today we have the Tenuta Sette Ponti Oreno Toscana IGT 2021. It's actually a Bordeaux blend, which comprises 50% Merlot, 40% Cab, and 10% Petit Verdot. The winemaker is Dr. Antonio Paretti. The winery is situated in the region of Tuscany, just east of Chianti Classico zone. Tenuta Sette Ponti is a renowned Italian wine estate. With a rich viticultural legacy, the estate boasts around 50 hectares of vineyards, and it's nested above elevation of approximately 300 meters above the sea level. The unique composition of the soil is a blend of clay, sand, limestone, and Galestro stone. This mixture provides an ideal foundation for cultivating grapes like Sangiovese, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and different, Petit Verdot, like different Bordeaux varietals. Let's not wait too much and let's check the color out. You can see the nice legs formation of the wine. It's more of like medium, deep garnet purple with like violets, red tones to it. Let's check out the nose. Ooh, wow. It begins to like really bouquet of red fruits. Moves into like dried cherries, raspberries, more of like violets. Nice toasted coffee undertones to it. The secondary notes, I have like lovely floral notes, blackcurrants, black cherries, white flowers. As the wine opens up, like nice pencil shavings, like tobacco, nice espresso notes to it, more lathery leather, a nice like spice thing going on. I mean, it just promises to be very complex wine. Let's not wait too much. Let's dive into it. Like powerful, structured, great profile. Sharpness of like that mixed berries, distinct notes like black plums, baked blackberries going on, guarana, like nice basil going on, like juniper berries, nice licorice to it, like sour cherries, cloves, nice violet. I mean, the tannins are like ultra fine, really pinpointing, like focused, sleek. It's like fine tannins, like very mouth-watering umami kind of thing going on, like tangerine seeds, like astringency coming out, resonating like with delightful savoriness, I would say. The finish is like, I would say, what reminds me of that Mediterranean charm and the like spicy three-dimensionality going on. Nice Tuscan, just points you there. How would I pair this wine? Like deep flavor profile of the wine, the structured tannins going on. Like I would say it pairs like robust dishes like grilled red meats, hearty like Tuscan stews, like wild game going on, aged cheeses. Even if you have like Mediterranean inspired dishes like with herbs and olives, it would perfectly pair well. And guess what? I'm giving it a solid 95 points. Kudos. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for, the giveaway. Hit that like button and help us reach 100 likes. One lucky newsletter subscriber will win this exquisite bottle absolutely free.